Here's a powerful method to silence the mind. Hello everyone, my name is Gareth Fleck, and may peace be on your soul. All right, I want to make a quick video and give you a tip on how to help silence and quiet that wee monkey mind. Before we do that, hit subscribe, leave a like, comment, leave your success stories of manifestation or tips on how to silence the mind. Let's start a conversation. I love interacting with you. Let's all be friends. Okay, so a really powerful method to silence the mind if you're meditating or wanting to envision or manifest is to say not now. Command your thoughts, that monkey mind, not now. So, you're sitting down, you're wanting to connect with God or create an imaginal scene, and you got the wee thoughts going brrr, bombarding you. Each time they come, just say not now. Like in your mind. not now. You command it with authority, not now. It's like, maybe you've been studying or you're working and you have a kid or a friend or a partner or a dog now, and they come in and you say, not now, I'm busy, this is really, really important, I need to get this finished, so not now, but soon, we'll come back to this. So when you're getting silent, you need to command the thoughts the same way, not now. And you'll notice you'll get a break of stillness. And then if they come back, not now. And you expand that stillness, not now. And you close the outer world out. You shut the door. The outer world, you just want to be dead to it. It doesn't exist. You are you're communing with your higher self, with God. You're creating what you want, and you can't let the wee monkey mind that's jumping like badger and you're pulling your hair, think about this, what about this? Not now. So shall we give it a wee test? I want to go, 30 seconds. Okay, so we breathe in. Amazing. This is a short practice. How was that? Let me know in the comments. Practice this. It's really powerful. I've been able to get so still, like no thoughts. And if you've never been able to have no thoughts, I tell you, it's a beautiful thing. And divine grace just flows through you. And you connect and you feel great. And then you can create imaginal scenes that imply the wish fulfilled and manifest great things into your life, like love, abundance, and beautiful people who come and comment on your channel. Okay, if you want to have a one-on-one session with me, link in the description, go to my website or message me on Instagram or Gareth Fleck Sacred Healings on Facebook. I have a merch store if you want to buy some merch. It's manifestation merch. And yes, peace be on your soul. I love you and blessings. Enjoy your life. Goodbye.